What's up, fellow jewelers? I am back. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to be back. And not only are we gonna do jewelry making videos, but I'm doing jewelry making with a twist. That is right. Every week I'm gonna go to Walmart and buy supplies and show you what I buy so you can make the exact same necklace or exact same bracelet, exact same earrings I have made. That's right. I want you to be able to make the same thing if you want. Now, if you want to go rogue and make something different with your beads you have, that's fine too. But if you want to make the same thing, then you can do that. I'm giving you that option. So for today, today we are making a long tassel necklace. Not only is long necklaces in style, but tassels are super in style. And I am so excited. It's so simple. It's so easy. It will literally take you minutes to make this thing. So let's get started, y'all. So this is what you're gonna need to make your simple long tassel necklace. You're gonna need your tools, of course, always your tools. I got my round nose pliers, my long nose pliers, my cutter tools, and these are the materials I got from Walmart. I'm so excited. So I got chain from Walmart. This is really tiny little chain, 105 inches of the chain for like $2. I got these strands of glass beads. They feel more like metal, so like they look like a silver metal, and then always had pins at Walmart. And then these accent tassels. Oh my goodness. So let's get started. So I don't want these head pins. I'm going to use these 3 head pins, and I'm going to open up my beads. So I just need 3. I only want 3. So I'm going to take the first bead and I'm going to get my head pin and I am going to put it through, and see how much wire I have right there. I am going to take that wire. I don't want too much. I really want a small loop. So if you want a small loop, you have less wire. If you want a bigger loop, then you're gonna put a lot more wire, okay? So I want a really small loop. So I'm going to bend it back at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to take the very tip of my round nose pliers. See how this goes from small to big? Well, this is just giving you the option of what size loop you want. So if I want a small loop, I'm gonna go to this end. If I want a bigger loop, I'm gonna go this end. So I'm gonna put my wire at the very tip of my pliers, and I'm going to start curling it around, curling it around, curling it around, curling it around until I make my first loop. Do you see that? Made my very first loop. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the excess off. I'm gonna grab my cutter pliers, grab the excess off, and I'm going to cut it off. You know, and most people, can I just say, most people would throw this away, but I'm gonna use that when I want just one loop on one side. So I always save these and put them aside for another necklace or another bracelet or whatever. So I'm gonna do that again. I'm going to, for this bead, I'm going to bend it back at a 90-degree angle, and then I'm going to loop it around until I have 2 loops on both sides. So I have a loop on this side and a loop on that side. And I'm gonna do the same for those 2 beads as well. Okay, so I have that is done. So easy, so simple, just 3 beads. Now I am going to take my chain out of my package. I'm going to take the chain out of my package, and I'm going to cut to the length that I want. So for me, I want about 34 inches. So I am going to measure my chain all the way to 34 inches. Measure my chain to about 34 inches, and then I'm going to cut it at 34 inches because I want a long necklace. I love these long tassel necklaces, and so I'm doing about 34 inches. So I've cut my chain. I'm gonna put my other chain to the side. I'm gonna grab my tassel, put that to the side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start putting my beads and tassels together. So I'm gonna first put my beads together. So I'm just gonna open up each loop. I'm gonna open up the loops and put them together. Make sure there's no gaps. You don't want any gaps, because if there's a gap, it's gonna fall apart. So then, put my next bead on. And then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the last loop, and I am going to open it up and put the tassel through, and then close up that loop. Yeah, so it's just like that. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh, and then what you need to do next is you need to open this loop at the top. So right here, there's a loop at the top. You're gonna open that up, and you're gonna put one of the ends through, put it through the last link on your chain, and then you're gonna do the other last link on the other side of the chain, and you're gonna close it up. And that, my friend, that, my fellow jeweler, is how you make a long tassel necklace. Oh my goodness, was that not so simple? And yet, oh, can I tell you, a lot of my friends, a lot of people I know are wearing these long necklaces, and tassels are so in. So come on, who would not want to wear this? It's so cute and it'll go with everything. And then I am going to actually make 2 more tassel necklaces, and I'm so excited, blue and black. Oh, so that's really how you do it. Oh yeah, look at that! It's so cute. I love it, 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 I love it. Oh my goodness, I love long necklaces. I only want to wear long necklaces usually. So wasn't that simple? Wasn't that easy? And guess what? I made the other 2. Look at these. Oh my goodness, aren't they gorgeous and aren't they so much fun? I love these 3 pieces. So not only do I do jewelry making videos, but I post tons of pictures of my creations on Instagram. And then I also have Pinterest as well as an Etsy shop. So I will post those links below. But if you want to know when I post videos, you can click right here to subscribe. And then here's another video of mine and another video of mine. But that's all I got for you guys today. I'll talk to you later. Bye!